Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips and life hacks to make your everyday easier. Today, we're diving into how to add EBT to Instacart in 2025. If you're using electronic benefits transfer, EBT, for your groceries, linking it to Instacart can save you time and hassle, especially with the updated features rolling out this year. Whether you're new to this or just need a refresher, stick around. We'll walk through it step by step. First off, why bother? In 2025, Instacart has made it simpler to use EBT for online shopping, helping you access fresh food without leaving home. It's secure, convenient, and helps stretch your budget. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Start by opening the Instacart app on your phone or visiting the website on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have one, sign up quickly, it's free. Next, head to your account settings. Look for the Payment Methods section, usually found in the Menu or Profile tab. Once there, tap or click on Add a Payment Method. You'll see a list of options. Select EBT from the drop-down. Now, enter your EBT card details carefully. That's your card number, expiration date, and the security code if required. Double-check for accuracy to avoid any issues. After that, Instacart might ask you to verify your EBT card. This could involve a small test transaction or linking it to your state's EBT system. Don't worry, it's straightforward and ensures everything's legit. Once verified, your EBT card will be ready to use for eligible purchases. Pro tip: not all items qualify for EBT, so check the app's filters to see what's covered and avoid surprises at checkout. One common hiccup is if your EBT card isn't accepted in your area yet. Double-check with Instacart's support or your local benefits office. And remember, in 2025, there are new integrations that make this process even smoother, like automatic balance checks. There you have it. Adding EBT to Instacart is a breeze and can make your shopping routine way more efficient. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.